I'm Gino Emanuels with the customer success team here at BlueFletch. Today we'll be covering the security features and benefits of the BlueFletch Enterprise Launcher. Security remains a top priority for companies today as more and more technology is placed in the hands of frontline associates. If you think of identity providers or IDPs as a belt, then you can think of the launcher as a pair of suspenders. The launcher serves as a proven supplement to shore up your organization's security posture. Rather than logging into individual applications, the BlueFletch Enterprise Launcher uses login at the device level. We do this by federating users through the client's IDP, then the launcher subsequently logs the users into each of the apps that they use for their daily tasking. Not only is this a huge cost savings from the productivity and password-related ticket perspective, it creates a chain of custody by surfacing actionable data around who has or had the device most recently, timestamps around login and logout events, and the approximate last known location of the devices. The BlueFletch Enterprise Launcher can even automatically log a user out if they pick up another device to log in, which addresses issues such as time theft and users sharing login credentials. Another BlueFletch Enterprise Launcher feature is that it locks end users and potential bad actors out of the device settings. This mitigates the chances of devices being connected to nefarious networks or allowing unauthorized Bluetooth peripherals to connect to the devices, both of which are constant threats for deployed devices. So if you have questions about how to get started with BlueFletch or how to get the most out of your BlueFletch software licenses, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We look forward to helping your organization bring additional security to your devices.